Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. Tonight we are going to be putting up our tree and decorating as much as we can. Andrew's just run out to the store to buy some bins to put some of our boxes for the village in so we can store it without, worry. And then he's grabbing some stuff to eat dinner. So I have been looking forward to this all day. I'm in such a good mood because I just love Christmas. It's my absolute favorite. We put up our Christmas village on the night of Halloween because we had nothing to do. We were just sitting there waiting for trick-or-treaters. And if you want to see more of a tour, I have that in the video before this, which is my Christmas decor haul video. So really excited about that. I have a new tree for my dining room. It's gonna be lovely. I'm so excited, I can't wait. So we're gonna get decorating. The big tree. Andrew's bringing it in piece by piece. Make sure there's no animals in it. Okay, don't mind the dining room mess. I gotta fix the top. Oops. But that's not terrible. It's a little tilty and I need to fluff it out. But I like it actually. I forgot how much work it is just bringing everything in the house. We've had a squirrel issue, so we're going through all of our bins. I know, we put it outside. We have a really nice shed. I seal off everything, but just extra precaution. Anyways, Andrew got this. This is Holiday Buble. I thought it would be fun to try it. Sparkling water Mary Berry. The can is so cute. I cannot, it tastes kind of like Jell-O. It just tastes like a mixture of cranberry, grape, raspberry. Maybe better cold. Andrew, come. Oh. Come and taste it. I can't. Oh, you're not in focus. Darn it, you're not in focus. What do you think?
I don't know what that is.
I can't tell what it is. It tastes like grape. There's a Jell-O-y taste to it, don't you think?
Almost tastes like a fruit by the foot kind of.
Oh.
Berry.
Because I can taste grape. A cranberry, raspberry. I can't.
It's cranberry. I don't know. It's good.
It is good. I bet it would be better cold. Festive drink for us.
Darling, I get you on my mind. When Christmas comes to town, it's getting cold. Baby, I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart. And if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents.
look at this delicious meal. So we have a little charcuterie board, got some burrata. What's this other cheeses? What's this one?
Smoked Gouda in the middle.
And cheddar?
Kerrygold.
Oh, Kerrygold. Ooh, and then we have steak bites.
This is a bit frozen still, but
That's okay. Yummy. Hey everyone, so it has been literally over a week since we decorated because it took forever to finally finish everything up, and I'm still not 100% finished. I'll show you some of the things that I have, but I'm 99% done and I am so happy. So I thought I would just give you a quick little Christmas decor tour. Obviously I finished decorating both trees pretty much the last clip that you saw, and I finished rearranging everything and I'm so happy. It actually feels like Christmas and my outside is done. Also want to update, this is the second case of the Mary Berry Bubbly Buble that we've been drinking. I really like it. We're a fan. We're a fan. I wanted to show you during the time of setting up to now. I actually went to Walmart, and if you're from Canada, you know Walmart can really be a hit or miss. But every time I watch Americans Walmart haul, I'm like, what in the world? Walmart is totally different in the States than it is in Canada. I just feel like in the US, there's better selection, more variety, better quality, yada, yada, yada. But Walmart really stepped up its Christmas game this year, and I found some really sweet things. So for our big tree, and a really good price, I picked up 4 of these because my colors are kind of red, white, gold, black maybe, but I just thought these were really cute. These were $3.98, so I got 4 of these. I don't know, I like them. I think they're cute and they're good filler. I also, this is not from Walmart, but if you don't have a real tree and you want the smell of a real tree, there are sensicles. You can buy this at Michael's, Canadian Tire, maybe Walmart. This one is Oh Christmas Tree. It smells like fresh cut. That's just what it says. I used to get the winter fir, but this year, I think it's winter fir or something, but this year I got Oh Christmas Tree. It smells amazing. You hang these, they come in little sticks. And it's got a hook. You hang it inside the tree and it smells like a real tree. It's amazing. And then lastly, to finish off that little tree, I just felt like we needed more stuff. So at Walmart for $3.98, I got these little, they're little gold and red reindeer. Maybe I'll pull one out so you can see. It's pretty cute. And then I also got, I think these are really cute, these mini little metal, or they might be plastic, nutcrackers. I just think they're sweet. They're plastic, but they look like metal. Cute, right? So I thought we could finish putting those on the tree, and then I'll show you the final product.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night.
Okay, let's have the official holiday decor tour. So obviously you saw this, I put this up the night that we decorated. It just wraps so perfectly. I love seeing that with the lights on. Then You walk into our living room and we have this little area over here with a candle, Fraser fir, it smells so good. And then I just have this cute little nutcracker. I don't think this is gonna stay, but I have no place to put this basket. And it would be nice to like fill the basket with like something to make this more of a centerpiece. Like I like this, but I don't think I like it obviously sitting in the basket, but don't really have anything to replace it. Then I just put those extra big balls that I usually put on the mantle over there, hung one stocking there, my little like wooden gingerbread house, another candle, it's Cinnamon Noel, and then obviously our little town. And then over here I just put our reindeer out, again some of the big ornaments, another stocking, Jingle All the Way sign, and then we had to get rid of all of our other pillows, long story, but we have this pillow from my best friend, I love it, tree, and then over here, our other tree. Thank you so much for spending the time to decorate with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you have a wonderful start to your holiday season. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it really helps my channel out. And don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment down below if you like this video and what your favorite holiday tradition is. I love all things Christmas. I love talking about Christmas. So again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in another one. Bye.
When the snow